Hey everyone, I am Arshis and you are watching Connect Irish English. Please subscribe, like, and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like the solution started. Today I will continue our generative AI series, and in this video I will tell you our aarubot part 2. So here, firstly, we in previous video we have created our LLM. Then after this, you have changed it. Now you will see how these two files are come in this. One is folder and one is a file. Firstly, you have to install chainlit. When you will run this, then it will take so much time to install it. But if your computer is fast, then it will install it quickly. Then run chainlit hello, and by doing this, these all will appear. So you have to go here. Now it will automatically run as your chatbot. See guys, it's running. So after this, we can create our app. So app.py. Now go to the chainlit official docs. Then you can go here and then copy this code. Then paste it here. Now I will close this. Chainlit run app.py. Then it is running here. See guys, we have running. If I say hello, then we have received hello. So instead of this message dot content, we will receive our response. So for that, you have to go here. Then you can import from LLM import run bot. This much code. Then run bot. It will pass your text. Then this will be message dot content response comma history. Then your response will be passed here. I will go here and refresh this thing, and you can also change from it here. The readme hash aarubot, a chatbot for user assistance. Now if I will refresh this, then we have this. If I say hello, but I will again run this. Now let's see. See guys, we have this. Hello, I am aarubot. So after this much, we have completed our response part, but one part is left. What is going to with the history variable? This is a very important variable, guys. Don't ignore this variable. So I will create a history. I will create first message as 1, but after the message we will define first message to 0. This will be a flag. So here, if first message is double equal to 0, then run this code. History is equal to history, like this, not this, then it will be perfect. Else we will run the same code, but we will remove this and history will be in our memory. This is like how we will do it. Suppose I say hi, hello, I am aarubot. What is 2 plus 2? The sum of 2 plus 2 is this. Answers in one word. True. So it is picking this and saying that it is true. So it is working, guys. It's working. So, and that's it, guys. This is an audio. I hope you like this video. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching the video.